MIG welders are a popular tool in the welding industry, known for their versatility and ease of use. There are many products available to choose MIG welders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best MIG welders from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. YesWelder 135 Amp MIG Welder. The YesWelder 135 Amp MIG Welder is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine that offers gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding capabilities. With an output of up to 135 amps, it allows you to weld mild steel up to 532 in thickness, making it suitable for a variety of welding tasks. The automatic change of voltage and wire feeding speed by adjusting the amperage makes it simple to use, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The welder also features automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, as well as overcurrent and overload protection, ensuring safety during operation. Weighing just 13.5 pounds, this lightweight and portable welder is easy to take anywhere, making it a convenient choice for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. Number 2. 7200 Amp MIG Welder 4-in-1 Multiprocess Welding Machine. The S7200 Amp MIG Welder is a versatile 4-in-1 welding machine that offers multiple welding modes to suit your needs. With options for MMA, lift TIG, flux MIG, and gas MIG welding, this machine is perfect for a variety of projects. One convenient feature is the synergic control, which automatically adjusts the amperage, voltage, and wire feeding speed based on your settings, making it easy for even beginners to use. Another great feature is the gasless welding options, allowing you to choose between flux core wire gasless or solid wire gas welding. This welder is also equipped with lift TIG arc welding capabilities, making it suitable for thin workpieces such as stainless steel, alloy steel, and carbon steel. Lastly, the S7200 Amp MIG Welder is powerful and safe, with the ability to weld up to 4 mm plate and an overload and overheating system for added safety. Number 3. Deco 135 Amp MIG Welder. The Deco 135 Amp MIG Welder is a powerful 3-in-1 welding machine that offers gasolid wire MIG, gasless flux core MIG, and stick MIG capabilities. With its synergic control feature, you can easily adjust the welding power according to the thickness of the sheet, ensuring optimal wire feed speed and current for different operating situations. The ID technology used in this welder improves its efficiency, reduces energy loss, and delivers better welding results. It comes with all the necessary cables, an electrode holder, an earth clamp, a power cable, a fixed MIG, and a slag hammer. Safety is also prioritized with overheating protection and voltage protection. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Deco MIG Welder is a reliable and durable choice for your welding needs. Number 4. Azuno 200A MIG Welder. The Azuno 200A MIG Welder is a powerful and safe 4-in-1 welding machine that offers MMA, lift TIG, flux MIG, and gas MIG welding modes, suitable for welding mild up to 4 mm plate. It features synergic control, gasless welding, and lift TIG arc welding options. Even beginners can easily use it, as the amperage, voltage, and wire feeding speed automatically change when adjusting the settings. This welding machine can handle 2 lb and 10 lb rolls of wires in 8 and 1 am flux core wire solid wire, with a max welding thickness of 4-5 mm. Number 5. ARPON 130A MIG Welder. The ARPON 130A MIG Welder is a portable and compact 3-in-1 welding machine that offers flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding modes. The machine features synergic control that automatically matches the recommended current and wire feeding speed based on the chosen diameter of the welding wire, making it easier for beginners or those learning to weld. With safety protection features built in, you can use the machine with confidence. The package includes a MIG torch, ground clamp, electronic holder, flux cord wire, conductive nozzles, brush, and hammer. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.